Hello, good morning, Best Self with Steph. How's it going, guys? I am coming to you today for our second part of our Best Self Styling series. This little cutie, aka turkey turd booger, is gonna help me today because he's home and I'm a stay-at-home mom. So you get my kid with me. So we're gonna talk about combating that pesky shoulder nipple. You guys know the one that I'm talking about? The one that happens with your shirts because you put them on hangers. Now, I gave up a long time ago on combating that, so I started actually folding all my shirts and none of them were hung up. But then I started realizing that they would get super duper wrinkly, right? They would get so wrinkly, and then it's like, oh, well, this isn't working. So how do you combat that pesky shoulder nipple? I have a solution that I have actually been using for about the past year, and it occurred to me the other day that I haven't shared it. Isn't that my job? To share styling tips with you guys? And is that not a styling tip? Because shoulder nipples aren't cute, right? Here, bud. All right, so how to avoid the pesky shoulder nipple. Now, it does help to have different hangers. So these are the 3 hangers that exist in my closet. This one I do not use for any shirts other than tanks or spaghetti straps. If it cannot fit in there, then you're gonna get this weird shoulder nipple effect, or it's gonna affect your collar. So unless you have a, hey Annette, so unless you have a spaghetti strap or a tank that fits into this is not the acceptable hanger to use, because you're gonna get that little bump either near your collar or your shoulder. No, sweet boy, don't play with that, thanks. This guy is a much more acceptable one to use because it is flat, so you're not going to have that effect. But a lot of shirts, for women at least what I experience, is that it ends up, right, kind of right here, and then you have that weird little bump occur. So though this is a better option than this one, you're still not necessarily going to be able to use this one. Now, the best hangers that I've found are the ones that I used for LuLaRoe, and they are from IKEA. They are 10 cents a hanger, 40 cents for a 4-pack. So cheap, so affordable, and they're great hangers. I've actually never had one break, and these break like crazy. And they actually are so long in the shoulders. So see how it's a little less like pointy. So it's nice and rounded, and that really helps my clothes. What I also do is I hang up my items inside out. If I really don't want a shoulder nipple, I will hang it inside out. See how this hanger gives it a nice curve instead of a jagged one? So in order to avoid those shoulder nipples where they're sticking out of your shoulder and it's just very awkward and it looks like you're trying to be 80s but you can't be, hang your clothes, your shirts at least, inside out. And then that dimple, if you have that a hanger that causes that problem, that dimple is going to go down. And it's not going to look nearly as awkward as if it went up. Yes? You guys following me? No more shoulder nipples? All right, well, my son just walked that way, and I am now done with this styling series. If you guys have any questions about anything, please feel free to reach out to me. Say hi, comment on the video. Facebook algorithms really like comments and stuff like that, so make sure that you're engaging in the group. That way it reaches more people and helps more people, because that's why I'm doing this, because I'm trying to share it. It sounds like he's getting into the pantry. So I've really got to go. But yes, please keep up that engagement. It's also going to help you get into Tiza next month. And I appreciate everything that you guys do. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.